Source: a stock/Q New York crypto exchange came out with the report which compares and analyzes a number of token standards across blockchains. The influential company is praising its own recently launched product, while criticizing many others. After going over token standards across more than 20 blockchains and second-layer architectures, as the report claims, it then focuses on the largest and most used blockchains that support dApps, as classified by dApp Review, these being and Binance Chain, the 5-month-old native blockchain of Binance. However, the list does not include some major projects such as Ethereum Classic, 15th by market capitalization, which also supports dApps, while adding Thomas Chain, 116th by market capitalization, which recently contributed Tomo in C. US, the native token of Binance, to the initiative. Binance Research claims it provides in-depth analysis and data-driven insights of digital assets by generating unbiased, institutional-grade research reports for investors in the crypto space. The report describes Ethereum, with its hundreds of thousands of tokens issued and many token standards in progress or developed, as the most used blockchain worldwide currently for developers to issue new tokens. It also draws a line and on the one side puts the constructed standard, which is a blockchain whose tokens are supported as part of a smart contract function, the most famous example of which is Ethereum, but Tron being a familiar example too. On the other side, it places a native standard, which natively supports the creation of specific tokens on its chain, a prime example of which is Binance Chain, with the BEP-2 standard. Watch the latest reports by Block TV. The report says that one of Ethereum's major issues is the scalability, which can lead to high gas fees and slow transactions, adding that while this can be interpreted as a sign of the popularity of the blockchain, newer blockchains have begun to compete in different segments. The scalability problem is also the reason why the 2017 initial coin offering projects, which aimed to build a variety of utility systems on the base Ethereum layer, failed to realize those goals, the report claims, adding that the most significant use case of Ethereum in this period remained as the actual raising of funds for these projects. Meanwhile, other blockchains are working on more specialized and niche areas, with 2 examples being named: Tron, which the report finds has more efficient distributed storage solutions and transactions leading to better support for gaming, and Binance Chain with transaction speed and order matching for transfers and trading. While Ethereum has the highest count of tokens on its blockchain, the vast majority of them is on-chain spam, meaning that they are worthless owing to the issuance cost limited to the deployment of a smart contract, and this is the case on other competing blockchains as well. On the opposite, the report finds the Binance Chain has the second largest amount of positively valued tokens, after Ethereum, more than 130 tokens issued as BEP-2, despite it being the most expensive to issue a token. Furthermore, you can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.